Welcome to TechTutorials-TV YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually rename your YouTube URL. So let's say, for example, my YouTube URL is now TechTutorials-TV online, but I want it to be TechTutorials 7. That's what I want. So here's how I do it. I simply go to my YouTube channel and log in, click on customize channel. How do I do it? I just go to my YouTube, just click on view your channel and then click on customize your channel, and then I scroll down. You can see this is the handle. I just want to put the handle to see if that's available. Now I just put it, say it's available. It's super simple. All I'm going to be doing now, publish. Let's go back to my channel and see. You can see now this is changed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need any tech related help, check other videos on my channel. Thanks.